If you want things, walang presyo yon. Pero if you give things, may presyo sa'yo yon kasi ikaw yung nagbibigay. So kung bigay ka lang ng bigay, ikaw lang yung invest ng invest, then ikaw talaga yung mauubos. So that's why men are under no obligation to give someone what they want simply because they want it. Kasi again, ikaw yung mawawalan. Wala kang obligasyon na ibigay sa babae yung lahat ng gusto nila. Kasi wala namang mawawala sa kanila, ikaw yung mawawalan. So you always need to think about it. So pag-usapan natin yung feminine nature when it comes to love and relationships. So, feminine love is consumptive. Okay? Mahilig sila mag-consume. Receiver nga sila eh. They consume. Okay? This is very contrasting on guys. Tayo kasi we want to provide, give. Tayo yung source. Ang feminine is the one who receives, who consumes. A woman in love wants everything. Lahat. Your time, your attention, your energy, your money, your space. And ganun talaga sila kasi nga sila yung receiver. They want to always to consume. However, may paradox dito. Okay? May paradox dito. When it comes to attraction, when you give women lahat ng gusto niya, lahat ng oras, lahat ng attention, lahat ng energy, lahat ng pera mo. Okay? Almost majority ng pera mo sa kanya binibigay.